Hi guys, welcome to this video. Well, as I mentioned in previous videos, there are various kind of protocols which could be highly useful for day-to-day life technology. Well, in this video, I'm gonna talk about RS485 protocol, which is extremely important protocol for day-to-day technology such as in automotive sector, in embedded sector, as well as in a home, in a, let's say smart home technologies. Well, how and where and how is possible that we are going to use it and without even noticing that we are directly using RS485 protocol? Well, in the automotive sector specifically, it's used because it's a capable of transmitting information for long cable for long distance like 1 kilometer 2 kilometer, specifically in a uncompatible environments like noisy environment. All right, so not like noisy environment. So it also supports multiple devices on the same bus. So on the same bus means imagine one line. All right, it's a one line and there are many devices are hanged on the line, so it's nothing but it supports multiple devices. So advantages: capable of transmission of data even if it's noisy environment, long cabling distance, same bus provides multiple port device support. Most commonly used in automotive industry in order to securely fast transmission of data under noisy environment, fast transmission of data in the same bus interface. All right, so let's move on in a bit more level of between hardware and software. Let's see how it's moving and how it's organized. So as I mentioned before, RS485 is specifically applied on a noisy environment, right? So I don't know if you're already familiar, but let's be familiar and get to know about ISO layer. ISO layer is nothing but hardware and software layer of our computer. Alright, it's a computer or any type of specific type of Android, let's say desktop application or any kind of embedded system are contained on 8 parts: physical, data link, network link, transport, session, presentation, and application. Well, first it's starting from physical layer, which is nothing but embedded system. All right, so responsible for physical layer is responsible for transfer of raw data between device and physical transmission medium. It handles conversion of electric signals into digital data while defining voltage, timing, and data rates. So we are daily using phones, right? Phones, iPhone, Samsung. We are pressing buttons and they are sending signals on a specific drivers which are dealt with on a physical device and data link session. All right, so here we have encoder output. So as I told you, it's nothing but in the environment, noisy environment, RS485 is used based on taking two input signal, pair of two input signal, and balancing them and reconstructing one smooth signal. All right, so if also differential receiver ignores noisy common to both signals, so it's taking noisy two signals and removing that noise and make it smooth. Well, RS485 and how it's going to collaborate and integrate, let's say, communicate with our with our input signals, which is this is middleware protocol UART. Okay, it's a UART, which is nothing but universal asynchronous receiver transmitter, UART. So the between network and so it's coming from physical layer gives us RS485, but data link is gives us UART. So like this we are sending data via UART to host from device. All right, from host from device. So imagine there is a computer and let's say monitor. So our device is computer and host is a monitor. Okay, monitor. So how we are sending via UART, which kind of protocol? RS485. All right, so data link is nothing, is hosting UART. Physical layer in fact is hosting is RS485. I hope it's clear. For device protocols, port devices, here we're gonna talk a bit more detail, but let's talk about it in the next video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope RS485